Winter football. Hey there, stargazers. I'm Dean Regas, outreach astronomer for the Cincinnati Observatory.
And I'm James Alberry, director of the Kika Silva Plot Planetarium in Gainesville, Florida. We're here to help you find your way around the winter sky. This is perfect stargazing weather.
And perfect football weather.
The most distinguishing feature of the winter sky is a star pattern called the winter hexagon, covering almost half the sky, incorporating 6 constellations and 8 of the 20 brightest stars visible from Earth. The winter hexagon puts its stamp on the season.
But in honor of the NFL playoffs and the upcoming Super Bowl, I recommend changing its name to the winter football. When you step outside and see the clear winter sky, you'll know what I'm talking about. Let's show you.
Okay, we have our skies set for 9 p.m. looking southeast. You can see most of these stars anytime from sunset to midnight too.
Look at all those bright stars. If you can brave the cold, a ring of sparkling multicolored jewels will shine down on you. Some call this the winter circle or winter hexagon, but even better, I think they look like a giant football flying through the air, pointy on 2 ends, rounded in the 2 middles, and winter is the season for football, so we call this formation the winter football.
That's right, Dean. The main player inside the winter football is Orion the Hunter, easily recognized by the 3 stars that make his snazzy belt. Orion stands about halfway up in the southeastern sky like a hulking linebacker about to make a tackle.
Now let's take a tour around the winter football. Begin with the brightest star in the sky. This is the dog star named Sirius. If you connect the dots of Orion's belt stars and continue that line to the left, you can't miss it. Sirius is a brilliant white star and one of our closest stellar neighbors. Following our football theme, Sirius marks the nose of one of our 2 team mascots, the big dog, or Canis Major. In Greek mythology, Canis Major was one of Orion's great hunting dogs.
Orion's other hunting dog and our other team mascot can be found up and to the left of Sirius, around the bright star Procyon. Procyon is a yellow-white star in the constellation Canis Minor, the little dog.
Keep going up and to the left, and you'll find 2 stars of similar brightness. These are the 2 heads of the Gemini twins, Pollux and Castor. Both twins were incredibly athletic and would make a great quarterback and wide receiver combo.
The bright star nearest the zenith and at the tip of the football is called Capella. Capella is the brightest star in the constellation Auriga the Charioteer. Auriga could serve as coach and chauffeur to the football team. Greek myths described him as having difficulty walking, and he therefore invented the chariot. But he was also good at giving advice and can look over the field from his position high in the sky.
Let's start going down the other side of the football, and we'll come to a bright orange star. This is Aldebaran, the glowing eye of Taurus the bull. Now, I realize there's no pro football team called the Bulls.
But how about the Buffalo Bills?
All right, close enough for me.
The last star in the football is the bright blue star Rigel. This marks the left foot of our buddy Orion and is one of the truly amazing stars in our galaxy. It's around 800 light years away from us and is still one of the brightest stars. It must be huge.
Finally, you're back around to Sirius. Congratulations, you've traced the winter football in the sky. Look for it after dark for the next few months. But what's that bright star in the middle of the football?
That's the infamous Betelgeuse, a red supergiant star that makes even Rigel look tiny. Let's compare Rigel to our Sun. In size, they're not even close. Now, let's compare Betelgeuse to Rigel.
Yikes! Betelgeuse is even bigger than the Earth's orbit.
That means that if Betelgeuse was our Sun, we'd be orbiting inside of it.
Oh, good thing we're far, far away from it.
So, tonight, take a break from the NFL and go out to see the big game in the sky.
The winter football has more big stars than any pro team, and they're available to you every night until baseball season when you
keep looking up.